This is Patrick Eagan with Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this gorgeous 2018 GMC Denali. This has just a little over 13,000 miles on it. To start off, it does have the power step rail, so when you do open the door, it lowers for you to enter the vehicle. Got power windows, power locks, preset seating, or memory seating, automatic headlights, cruise control, Bluetooth for telephone. Does have backup camera and navigation. Some other great features that you're going to see is park assist, lane variance, and blind spot monitor, as well as a sunroof. It does come equipped with a soft tonneau cover, as well as a carpeted bed, and a full tow package. Again, this is Patrick Eagan with Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Please give me a call at 941-448-8662 for pricing. Thank you.